Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Techmin Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the not equal symbol in your Google Docs mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the not equal symbol in Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just need to click on the open any document that you want, and they're just going to edit it. So you don't have options to insert the symbol in Google Docs mobile. Instead of that, you can just make an alternative like a keyboard. You can just use it. Here I just using Google keyboard or Gboard. You can just use this and just click on this template option here. Then you will see a lot of options here. You just need to click on this equal option here. So you just want to find where is the equal symbol. So here the equal symbol, you just need to long press on the equal symbol, which actually opens the not equal symbol. So you can just long press it, select it, drop it, select it, drop it, select it, drop it. The same process can be repeat, and this is how you just insert not equal symbol on your Google Docs mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.